Hi everybody, we're going to be introducing the IPOWERTOWER Hurricane Emergency Backup System. It'll provide you the necessary power and fresh water for long periods of time. We have three systems here. Sterno, which is basically ethanol gel, a vapor burner using ethanol, and in the middle we have a 1 pound propane tank with an optional 20-pound tank for up to 30 days of continuous operations. That's 24/7 operation. As you can see on the left, we have the option of battery charging and also lighting with a 5-watt. This is a USB 5-volt plug-in to the system. In the middle, what we have operating right now is it's charging a cell phone, and it also will run lighting at the same time. And on the left, what we have is a filtering sanitization for water. So the unit holds approximately 1.5 liters of water. The water can be filled to the top. In 20 minutes it will heat up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, no higher. This unit does not boil water. It will steam like a coffee, but it will not boil water. We have a carbon filter, activated charcoal, on the side as an option where you can empty the hot water into, allow it to cool, transfer it into a clear container. Once you've done that, you can run a UV wand. This is UVC LED, which is a sanitization most municipalities use, and also high-end water filtering systems. As you can see, we have a UV light. Now, the feature of this unit is if you flip it up, it turns off. And it protects eyes of children and the person using it. Now, when you turn it down, as you can see, it turns on. Now, 15-minute exposure to that light with this bottle will sanitize that. It will sanitize it and neutralize bacteria, E. coli, viruses, fungus, and parasites. UV is a very versatile light. It will kill just about any kind of pathogen that can harm us. And in an emergency situation, it's an ideal method of sanitizing water. But that water needs to be filtered and needs to be heated. This is a 3-tier process. Heating water will kill most bacteria. The filter will filter out any heavy bacteria or any heavy particulate, pieces of wood, lint, anything that bacteria can hide in. This unit will filter it out. It will also filter out any heavy metals as well. And then the last stage is your sanitization using UV. So a very versatile system. As you can see, you can use all these features with all these options, which are available on either eBay or our website at thermoelectric-generator.com or techtagmanufacturing.com or tagpower.ca. Thank you very much for watching.